Hello everyone, today we will discuss about AI tools.
AI is not the future, it's the present. And if you're not using it, you're already behind. Right now, AI is helping people work smarter, create faster, and even make money while they sleep. In this video, I'll show you the most powerful AI tools and how you can use them to your advantage. But here's the catch. Most people will hear this and do nothing. Don't be one of them. Let's dive in. ChatGPT is your AI assistant for everything. It is like having a super smart assistant that can write, brainstorm, and even code for you. Need help with emails done? Want to create a business plan? Easy. How to use it? Write faster blogs, emails, social media posts. Automate work, customer support, research, coding. Start an AI-powered side hustle. No, it won't do your laundry, but almost everything else. And speaking of creativity, what if AI could design stunning artwork in seconds? Let me introduce you to MidJourney. MidJourney is AI for mind-blowing art. Ever seen those crazy AI-generated images on Instagram? That's MidJourney. Type a prompt and it instantly creates high-quality digital art. Use it for creating logos and graphics, great for businesses. Selling AI-generated artwork online, designing your own brand visuals. Leonardo da Vinci would be jealous right now. But AI isn't just about art, it can actually replace Google and find better answers in seconds. Let's talk about Google's new AI, Gemini. Gemini is AI that knows everything. Tired of scrolling through 10 different websites to find an answer? Google's Gemini AI gives you precise, human-like responses instantly. Why it's powerful, faster research summarizes the best info for you. Helps make smarter business decisions. Saves hours of searching online. Sounds cool, right? But what if I told you that AI can also make you money without lifting a finger?
Let's talk about AI automation. How AI can make you money. AI automation is work less, earn more. Smart entrepreneurs aren't working harder, they're working smarter with AI automation. How to use AI to make money. Automate social media and content creation. Use AI to write and sell ebooks, courses, or blog posts. Run a business on autopilot with AI-powered tools. Let AI do the work while you sip coffee and pretend you're busy.
AI is here to stay. You have two choices. Use it to get ahead or ignore it and get left behind. What to do next? Pick one AI tool and start using it today. Subscribe for more AI hacks and business tips. Turn on notifications because in my next video, I'll show you how to start an AI-powered side hustle even with zero experience. You don't want to miss this. See you there. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, subscribe Tectonic YouTube channel.